Hi, here's my LinkedIn tip for today. Have you ever run an event and want to invite people to that event, but in order to go through all your connections to find out which ones are relevant may take forever? So here's a quick tip on how you can make that job a little bit easier. So as an example, I have a friend, Charles Appleby, who's running this event that's on my screen, how to mobilize public support and stop global warming. Now, for me to invite people that are relevant to his event, effectively what I can do is I can go over here where it says invite connections. Now, when I click invite connections, I can search by name. Now, the challenge with that is how do I know out of all my connections who is relevant? So what I can do is I can go and click on another LinkedIn tab and just go and put the word sustainability in as an example. And when I do that, I'll click search. It will come up with lots of different people, and I can go and choose first connections as an example. So I've done that, chosen first connections that I can introduce and invite. And I've just gone through my list of people that I feel are relevant. And then I can go into this event. So if I go and choose this lady over here as an example, I might go in there and click on her. And as you can see, I've already invited. And then you click the invite button, and that's job done. And that way you can very quickly find people that are relevant to the subject and invite them for an event. So why not go and try that out? Why not go to Charles's event tonight or in the future and invite people there that care about the planet? Wishing you best of luck with your LinkedIn journey, your events. And if you have any questions, follow me, the LinkedIn expert, or hashtag the LinkedIn expert on LinkedIn, and you will see all my tips and advice on there. Have a great day further.